Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the technology infrastructure analysis to the company Infosys. The location will be Bengaluru East, that's Karnataka. And the candidate must have 2 years of IT experience, and candidate should be female. And primary skills net application support with SQL and MySQL, cloud with AWS administrations is required. And having a knowledge about networking, Python storage, and Windows is a plus. And the second technology is Senior Oracle Database Administrator for the Siera ID Service Private Limited. The location is India. They are looking for 7 to 9 years of experience candidate. The location is private pan India. The notice period must be immediate joining of 15 days of time. Experience with Oracle database experience with real application cluster, experience with stat packs and AWR reviews is required. And the third technology is Oracle developer for the SKS Enterpprises. The location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. They are looking for 3+ years of experience, and the location will be also Bangalore. And the graduation degree BTech is the qualification required, and 3+ years of Oracle development experience. And the fourth technology is PLSQL developer for the Florican Enterprises Private Limited. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. The key responsibilities are development of high quality database solution, develop, implement, and optimize stored procedure and function using TSQL, review and interpret ongoing business report and requirements. And the fifth technology is Senior Database Administrator, MongoDB, for the Bharuwa Solution Private Limited. The location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. They are looking for 5 to 7 years of experience candidate. The roles and responsibilities are maintain and configure a MongoDB instance, keep clear documentations of database setups and architecture, write procedure for backups and disaster recovery, ensure that the database achieves maximum performance and availability. The skills required are MongoDB, SQL, Linux, and GBA, and PLSQL, and SQL, and ETL, and SSIS, and the Unix. The link will be given in the video description, so you can upload it directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.